We are currently in Slovenia to try to catch the Danube salmon, also known as the hucho. This is a 5-day expedition into this country, but before we do indeed start the fishing, we decided to arrive a day early to just explore the country. Just a quick post-production note, this was indeed a fish that Jeremy Wade, the great legend himself, tried to catch in a river, mighty rivers, but wasn't able to catch this fish. So, you know, as you see, we were able to catch a fish. Don't want to spoil it too much, but man, it is great to catch a fish that Jeremy Wade himself wasn't able to catch. Small towns in Europe, they do definitely give you a bit more of a homey family feel. Very easy to miss this for the time. Just up this small road. Have the old castle up ahead. Nice track to get up here. We're currently in Bled Castle. It's a very impressive sight, very difficult to get up here. Not a very big castle, but very, very powerful, and I don't think I'd like to try to storm this thing. I think I'll die within perhaps a few minutes. I mean, you can see it's quite difficult to actually get up here. Now, you have a beautiful, beautiful view over the actual Lake Bled. It's quite big. Having enjoyed a nice day at Bled, we're now heading up to the Ljubljana Castle. It gives you a nice view over the city below. You can really see that without development on the city. You could really see from the battlements any army that comes and tries to attack. You could even see like the pedestrians in the street below, but imagine, you know, out there they'd attack from over the hills. You just see that army coming across to you. All impressively decorated on the inside of this castle. First day fishing for the old Huchen in the nice river. We're going to be going for slightly smaller fish today. We're trying to get ourselves on some fish to get ourselves used to this country. We're really looking forward to it. Have everything ready and let's see how it goes. We're fishing under these small cliffs to see if the Huchen are underneath them. Second day out on the river hunting the old Huchen. We hopefully would catch something a bit bigger today. Didn't catch anything yesterday, but we are looking at good for day 2, getting a bit warmer in Slovenia. Very nice dad over there. And we are there aiming to catch some good fish today. See another Huchen there, it's the same fish. He got right back there. We are more than halfway through day 2. Haven't had many fish yet, but we have seen some really big Huchen so far, just sight fishing. Third day out on the river. We're starting at the pitch black, absolute pitch black, going for the old Huchen. Yesterday we came very, very close. Got 2 bites, 1 bite and 1 missed bite. We didn't even see it because it was after pitch black. Missed the first bite, but then the second one. When I lifted the lure, all of a sudden it came up after it. So hopefully we get something good today. That's why we're starting in the dark. And let's see how it goes. We are now back to the bridge where we had 2 bites yesterday. One was a missed bite and the other one, they took a bite I couldn't feel the bite because it was smashing upstream. But hopefully the fish are still here. We already had a bite just now at the spot, but unfortunately we were not able to convert that. It felt like a really small fish, so maybe didn't have the lure fully in its mouth. Crazy thing fishing in Slovenia is that you're never too actually far from civilization. You have an industrial complex, a river, and you can see beautiful turquoise water targeting Huchen. It's really beautiful here, and you know, it's crazy to see how integrated these rivers are to the actual area. Unfortunately, the fishing has been quite slow. We've seen a lot of fish, but we haven't gotten a bite yet. Still 2 days and a half to go, so we still have a lot of time.
Here we are in Slovenia. We're based out of Bista. Joshua has just caught a beauty. They're measuring it now.
Okay, now I need a bit of your help. No more. Go flat with the fish. Go flat down, all the way down. It's a bit short than it. Put them now a bit more like this. Yes. This will be bigger. Awesome.
Just under the bridge. This is where it was.
He was already caught or something like that. Just grab the tail. Grab the tail. I have the head. Just hold the tail. Yeah, he's ready. He's ready. Grab the tail, pull the tail out. That's it. That's it. He's ready.
Here we are, trying to measure the fish and then trying to get the perfect photograph.
Perfect.
Trying to get a picture of the head so you can identify the fish.
So I can get her other. That's it.
Here's
Show me
Josh.
the fish. Let's see him.
Beautiful fish.
Beautiful fish right here.
Awesome, mate.
Now let's let it go.
Yeah. Congrats. He's keen to go. He's keen to go.
Okay, he's released, but he's not swimming away. Here he goes.
Awesome.
Well done, Josh. Well done. Wow.
Massive.
The fish is getting pet. It's just kind of sick, sitting there. Amazing. Fish is just still just sitting there. Crazy. And just sitting there. As you can see, guys, at the end of the third day, we've managed to catch our Huchen. Absolutely amazing to catch the hucho. It's what a fish. I was very happy with that. Apparently the cast went right over his head. He was able to pull the lure, went right into his mouth, grabbed it, smashed it. And the crazy thing is, I mean, the guide was completely correct about its fighting style. The fight lasted maybe only half a minute or so, but when it was going down, what it does is it instead of trying to fight the fish as a fish normally does, it will shake its head first, try to get up, try to thrash its head out of the water, try to split the hook. But once it realizes it can't, it then goes horizontally up to the stream and just lets the water push it down to try to get into the current. Because especially since you're fishing these rapids or these flows, what you want to do is tighten the drag if you can, depending on the way you're relying. Make sure it doesn't go into the rapids. Try to pull it out of the current, because what it wants to do is to use its body weight, because it is a heavy fish, to really push itself down through the current, to really create that resistance. So I was able to pull it out of that, and then bring it up on the side of the current and go to net it. So what a beautiful fish. I am so puffed about it. I'm so chuffed about it. It is indeed third day fishing, and we've managed to catch a 90 centimeter Huchen. What an amazing fish, and hopefully the next 2 days we could catch another one. Fourth day fishing in Slovenia. Today we're at the Savina river. It is an absolutely beautiful sight out. Really excited after we caught the massive hucho last night. So I'm really looking forward to today. We're at a bigger river, which might have bigger fish. Let's see how it goes. You know, it's crazy that we managed to catch that fish. Absolute fish of a lifetime.
Down there.
Wow,
Cool.
beautiful river. Slovenia river. Nothing beats fishing when you're just out in nature like this, you know. It's called the fish of 1,000 casts for a good reason. You have to constantly work the river as much as you can, and hopefully you get past the fish, which is not only there but also willing to eat. All the fish like to hide. All the fish are there. They look like hiding underneath the old falls, so the food falls into them. Some are disoriented, and the old fish can just go bang, smash it. And just look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. This is why we love fishing, you know. Catching fish is like maybe, well, 1% of the actual time we spent out on the river, if less. But you know, just staying out in the rivers, sight of nature, I mean, this is just brilliant. Quite a scenic site, doing the old casting right under the castle. Quite nice. Very beautiful area. Pitch black now. last run of the day. It's a bit difficult to catch fish during the day. The fish like hunting in dark, so they allow you to fish for an hour after sunset, and then it is indeed lights out. So. Final day fishing for the hucho in Slovenia. I have to say, after catching that fish on the third day, the pressure really has gotten a bit off, a bit more relaxed. You know, we've had the fish, now we're just going for another one. But we're going to be trying the river, Ljubljana. It seems to be the river which is doing the best recently. There's Dad casting under these rapids where the hucho might be. We have a hucho right underneath our foot.
Try it again. None of them. No, I think he's hooked.
Oh, maybe. These balls off positions on Ljubljana. Difficult to get to though, always very adventurous, but never too far from civilization. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was great to bring you to fish for Huchen with me. You know, it was an absolute trip of a lifetime to explore Slovenia, new country, go fishing with Dad. You know, this is such a precious time together. And of course, you know, Huchen fishing is such a rare fish. Jeremy Wade couldn't even catch it. You know, Taimen, especially in China, are going extinct. It's very rare to catch these fish in the wild, let alone hold one in your hand and see them so many times. And it's great to see that the conservation efforts and the clear regulations in Slovenia are really helping this population grow and stay strong. You know, it goes to show it's very important to take care of our environment and make sure we have these fish for our next generation to catch. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one.